Nyekweri Forest is, first of all, within the Narok County. We are among the only area that you still have the thick forest. We have almost all types of animals from Masai Mara who also are found here in Nyekweri Forest. We have things like giraffes, we have things like the duiker in the forest, we just came to discover that we have the greater pangolin within the Nyekweri.
My name's Peter Oletomboy. I am 70 years old. I have lived in Nyekweri conservation area since birth. Nyekweri Forest was intact because the people around did not have anything or any business to do with the forest product. Like the way it is now, that people are looking for charcoal, timber to build. It's a big business, a booming business. So for people around to get charcoal, we need to cut the forest.
Community of Nyekweri Forest are also people who have their children going to school to benefit from their land. But most of them, they are not the pastoralists they were before. Because of land demarcation, now you are supposed to remain within your area, not like the way it was some years back, that when there is dry season, you move to other places. Now people concentrate on their land. But right now, they need money to take their kids to school. There is also the side of healthcare. People get sick and they need to go to hospital, and you need to have money. So these are the challenges that forces them to try and see what they can do to get money out of the forest. Kimentet, it was the only way we can benefit from our land. We are about 26 members right now with their own title deeds. So we own the land individually. So we saw the best thing is to get together, form the conservation trust, so that can give us a way to conserve the forest. We are lucky that the WWF came in, and actually we got 10 rangers here in Nyekweri. We have our rangers who are going to go around the conservancy or the trust to see that more destruction will not continue.
I thank Africa Foundation actually because we've come up with a program whereby we are partnering with the Kimentet Nyekweri Conservation Trust to find a way of trying to restore the forest. And as we speak right now, we're about to roll on a program of employing community conservation rangers to work with the current rangers that are already here on the ground and to do a survey to work on all the areas that has been cleared and find where actually the forest can be replanted.
we are looking forward to see how far are we going to protect the forest, although the depletion or the destruction of the forest is very much there. Up to now, it is at an alarming rate. Conservation is something that will bring the slowdown of forest destruction. We consulted forest because of so many things. We get fresh air from it. We get products from the forest. And without forest, there are so many things that we are going to miss. We shall miss the fresh air. We shall miss rain. And you know about the climate change, which is affecting everybody in the world.